Judy here to give you an overview of the firm user permissions in Client Hub and how to assign the appropriate access level to your team members. Client Hub has 4 user roles for firm users. The subscriber user is the person who creates the account. They have access to all functionality, including the options to manage the subscription, including changing the subscription plan or managing the billing portal. Admin users have access to all functionality similar to the subscribers. The difference between these 2 roles is admin users do not have access to manage the Client Hub subscription or the billing portal. The next 2 roles can be customized based on your firm needs. Those would be staff or managers. Users with these 2 roles will only have access to the client workspaces they've been assigned to. You can choose which workspaces they have access to by clicking on the Manage Assignments link. Selecting a workspace will enable access to that workspace for that firm user. You can customize the staff and manager role by scrolling down to the Manage Roles and Permissions and choose which actions managers and staff have access to. Keeping in mind that users with the role of manager and staff do not have access to this Manage Practice page. The actions you can enable or disable for users with this role would be accessing the Setup and Settings page. That will give them the ability to manage any of those settings, including the connections with QuickBooks and Xero. Options to edit, start and end dates for jobs, access that client password vault, view time entries from others in the time tracking dashboard, or permissions to delete jobs. Keeping in mind that if you edit these permissions, that will edit the permissions from any users you've already assigned these roles to. The admin role is best for firm users that need the ability to add additional firm users to the account and that need access to all client workspaces and all functionality. The role of manager is best used for supervisors of teams. This gives them the ability to view the jobs dashboard for all members of their team. And the staff role is best suited for those team members that are doing work on behalf of clients but don't need access to all client workspaces or the Setup and Settings page. Click the link to understand how to choose a role for each of your firm users. This will redirect you to our help page with additional information.